Today, I'll be sharing 3 new research studies that pay you up to $250 just for sharing your opinion. By the way, my name is Felipe, and these research studies are often called focus groups, and big companies will do these research studies to get your opinion on their products and services, and they'll pay you a lot of money for it. You don't need any prior experience. I've participated in hundreds of these over the years, and I've also taught others how to do the same. Jumping right into the new paid research studies, yesterday, my job board inside of my membership posted over 150 new focus groups from all over the country. And here are 3 of the new research studies available for you to apply to completely for free. So the first one is about eye conditions. It pays $250. And for this one, it will be a 90-minute online discussion board. So if you don't know what a discussion board is, it's essentially like a diary or a journal that will happen over a few days. And you'll basically just log on every single day at whatever time is convenient for you and answer their questions that they have there for you around this topic of eye conditions. Discussion boards are super flexible because, like I said, you can do them at whatever time of the day that you wish. And for this one, it's saying that the discussion board will last 90 minutes. So $250 for 90 minutes of your time, not bad at all. I just want to point out that this study is hosted on the user interviews platform. And if you're a brand new member and you've never signed up for user interviews before, I would suggest that you sign up first to the platform by clicking this link here. And the reason is because if you're chosen for this study or any other study on the user interviews platform, they'll give you a $10 bonus as long as you signed up with a referral link. That link is a referral link. And so if you're chosen, you'll get an extra $10 just by signing up with this link. After you sign up for this link, go ahead and click on apply, and it will take you to another page here where then you'll be able to just click on sign up and apply, and it will take you to the survey so you can fill it out. Up next, we have a study on vehicles paying $200. So for this study here, it's going to last 2 hours, taking place between April 23rd and April 30th. So this is an online focus group, which is a virtual session with you and a moderator, or you and a group of people and a moderator. The good thing about these is that they have several days and times available, usually, depending on how big the group is. And for this one, it looks like they're spanning over a few different days. So they definitely have a few different times and days available for you to choose from based on what you're available to do. And for this study, they asked a lot about emissions, what you know about emissions, whether on the consumer side, so electric vehicles, that kind of thing, or on the construction side of things. So it looks like it is a little bit more technical about more policy, like vehicle policy. But it's interesting nonetheless. If you have any kind of knowledge on that, or you don't, because we really don't know if they're looking for knowledgeable people or people that are not as knowledgeable, go ahead and apply for this one. It was a very short survey, about 2 to 3 minutes, and you'll have the chance of being entered in to participate in the study and earn $200 for 2 hours. The next study that we have is on lifestyle and personal habits, paying $125. So this study here is for those that are in North Carolina, Indiana, South Carolina, and South Carolina. And it is for your teens. So yes, your teens can get paid for their opinions, which is awesome considering that we have the Nintendo Switch coming out very soon, which is probably going to be a higher price point with these tariffs that are happening. So if your team participates in the study, that's an extra $125 that can go to your Nintendo Switch budget or any other bill that you have in your household. This study is happening very soon. It starts on April 10th through April 16th, and it's 90 minutes, an hour and 30 minutes. And you'll be compensated $125 if you're chosen to participate. Don't forget to check out the previously featured studies. There are a bunch here in every single date that you can open up and still apply to them if they're still open. And I'm curious to know where you're watching from, what city, what state. Go ahead and leave it in the comment below, and whatever city and state gets added on there, I'll make sure to add a study on tomorrow's video highlighting that specific city and state.